and the dignity and the right to make our own decisions and determine our own destiny.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
And those who tell us that we can't, we will respond with that timeless creed that sums up the spirit of a people. Yes, we can.
Hi, my name is Julia. Hi, my name is Hassan. Hi, my name is Bunny. Hi, my name is Abdurrahman Kasra. Good morning. My name is Yusuf Ahmed. My name is Yusuf. My name is Muhammad Sheikh. I am Jannah Sheikh. I am Nabi Muslim. My name is Noor Ahmed. Hi, my name is Dunya Al-Mu'taz. I am the daughter of MLS. First of all, I'd like to welcome all MLS students, teachers, and our great headmistress. Why? Why will you vote for me? If I'm elected, I want us to work as a team. We can achieve so much more if we work together. I love my school. I love all of my teachers. I love my colleagues. I am loyal to my school, and I am strict when it comes to regulations. I have many ideas, but I'd like to hear your ideas too.
Well, I will try my best to do water and refreshing day. The most important thing I would like to say, I'm athletic and I love talking and dealing with people.
I have the responsibility and self-confidence to do this.
To bring more activity, love, respect, and caring in our camp.
I'll be ready to help you if you need any help.
I will do my best to make the school the best school ever.
My target is to grow my friends and I in a better way of living, full of fun and creativity, and make the world cleaner and greener.
I will make a skateboard day. Teach people play. Have fun in everything you do.
I will make fun days and I will make water days. Lessons will have more activity and work in group.
If you vote for me, I will make the school the best. I try to decorate the school to make it more pretty.
I also wish to have a plan for planting, cleaning, and sprucing our school.
And there will be a festive day like last of days.
I promise you, this year is going to be the best year ever. I hope that this year will be exciting and fun, and that the student council will be successful in making all our wishes come true. It's an honor to serve my school and my colleagues at any position, and I know it's a great responsibility, and I will do my best to be at your expectations. My slogan is hand in hand, and we work together for a better learning and a good school environment. Thank you, Mrs. Amy, for making this event true.
So vote for me, and you will see I'm the best I can be.
I can only promise you this. If you vote for me, I'll do my very best to get you the things that you want.
Just vote for me. I will make it the best year ever for you. Thanks. Bye.
I won't forget to sharpen the saw. As a student council member, I'll plant a variety of events that will sharpen our bodies, brain, heart, and soul. Go to the leader in me, Mansour. Thank you.